Hey everyone, welcome to iOS Hacker. Need to swap a physical SIM on your iPhone fast and safe? In this guide, I will show you exactly how to remove and insert it on your iPhone 17 or iPhone 17 Pro. Whether you are switching carriers, using a travel SIM, or moving between phones, this is the clean, safe way to do it. I will cover which tools to use, what to watch out for, and quick note about eSIMs. To add or remove the SIM, you will need either the iPhone SIM ejector tool that came in the box or a small straightened paper clip. It's ideal if you work on a flat surface. Find the SIM tray, it's on the left side of your iPhone 17. You don't have to power the phone off to change the SIM. Insert the SIM eject tool or paper clip into the tiny hole next to the tray. Press gently and straight. You will feel a click and the tray will pop out. Don't force it. Slide the tray out fully and lift the SIM out. After taking out the old SIM, place the new SIM into the tray with the gold contacts facing up and the angled corner aligned. Slide the tray back into the device gently until it sits flush. And done. If your iPhone doesn't detect the SIM, try reseat the SIM, restart the device or clean the SIM contacts gently with a dry, lint-free cloth. If the problem persists, contact your carrier. Remember, your iPhone 17 also supports eSIM, so you might not need a physical SIM at all. To get an eSIM, contact your carrier. If you found this video helpful, then be sure to hit the like button, subscribe to our channel and comment which iPhone model I should cover next. See you in the next video. Thanks for watching.